If you cook for clients, you already know the hard part isn't the food. It's pricing a 12-guest dinner so you actually get paid for the shopping, the prep, and the drive. This is the Personal Chef Pricing Dashboard from NicheToolkits, a complete pricing and booking system that runs entirely in your web browser. No login, no subscription, and your client list never leaves your computer. You open to your whole business at a glance. 10 upcoming events, 6 booked and 4 pending. 7,100 booked this month. An average of $199 of revenue per guest and $19,500 in lifetime revenue across 13 delivered events. And down here is the feature working chefs keep it open for. Your recurring meal prep households, each with a rebook reminder counting down. The Brennan family in 9 days. The Harringtons in 10. Weekly meal prep is the steadiest money in this business, and this makes sure it never quietly lapses. Now the part that changes how you price. Every dish on your menu is costed to the portion. These seared scallops cost $21.78 to plate 4 portions, $5.45 each. At a 30% food cost target, the dashboard suggests $18.15 per portion and shows your gross margin on every plate. Each ingredient is a line. Scallops, butter, lemon, kosher salt, with quantities and unit prices pulled straight from your pantry. Change the yield or swap an ingredient and the plate cost updates live. Behind the menu sits your pantry, a full ingredient price library. Beef tenderloin at $24 a pound. Scallops at $26. Quoting an event takes about a minute. Pick the client, the event type, the service style, the guest count, and the date. This engagement celebration is 12 guests, served family style. Notice the allergy alert. Pulled from the client's profile, front and center before you plan a single course. Then build the menu from your costed dishes. Burrata salad, lemon herb salmon, wild mushroom risotto, a flourless chocolate torte. Every portion is priced from real ingredient costs, not a guess. On the right, the quote assembles itself. The per guest base, 12 guests at $125. Groceries with your markup. Labor at your hourly rate with the family style multiplier. Travel. Gratuity at 18%. $2,581 with the 50% deposit worked out, and below it, your actual profit on the event. $1,500, known before you say yes. Every event lives in one pipeline, from inquiry, to quoted, to booked, to completed. Corporate offsites, birthday dinners, weekly meal prep, cooking classes. Click any row and it opens in the builder, ready to adjust or resend. The client list is built for chefs. Every household carries its allergies and dietary flags in red, right where you can't miss them. Nut allergy, gluten-free, shellfish, plus typical guest counts and the lifetime value of every client, so you know exactly who your best tables are. The rate engine underneath is entirely yours. Hourly labor rate, grocery markup, travel rate, and a per guest base for every event. Set it once to match your market, and every future quote is consistent. When your costs rise, change the rate in one place and the math follows everywhere. And when the client says, "Tell me more," one click produces a clean event proposal. Your letterhead, the full menu by course, the per guest pricing, the deposit to reserve the date, and your service terms. Print it, save it as a PDF, or send it straight over. That's the Personal Chef Pricing Dashboard. $47, one time, yours forever. Find it on Etsy, search NicheToolkits, and price your next dinner like the business it is.